Welcome to Dasanti Discoveries. Today we're diving into the world of one of the most extraordinary creatures on Earth, the octopus. These fascinating animals are known for their intelligence, their ability to change color, and their incredible survival skills. But did you know that octopuses have not one, not two, but 3 hearts? That's right. 2 of these hearts pump blood to the gills, where oxygen is absorbed from the water, while the 3rd heart pumps blood to the rest of the body. But here's an even more surprising fact. When an octopus swims, the heart that pumps blood to the body actually stops beating. Why would an animal need 3 hearts? And what else makes the octopus so unique? Today we'll explore the incredible biology, behavior, and abilities of the octopus, and why they've fascinated scientists and ocean lovers for centuries. Let's start by talking about those 3 hearts. Octopuses have a very unusual circulatory system compared to most other animals. As we mentioned earlier, 2 of the hearts pump blood through the gills, where it gets oxygenated. These are known as branchial hearts. The 3rd heart, called the systemic heart, is responsible for pumping oxygen-rich blood to the rest of the body. But here's where things get really interesting. When the octopus is swimming, its systemic heart temporarily stops beating. That means the octopus slows down its circulation to the rest of the body while it's in motion. As a result, octopuses tend to prefer crawling along the ocean floor rather than swimming for long distances. Swimming is actually more tiring for them because of this unique feature. So why does this happen? Scientists believe that by stopping the systemic heart during swimming, the octopus can focus more energy on getting away from predators or hunting for prey. It's a survival strategy that conserves energy during times of high activity. Another fascinating fact about the octopus's circulatory system is that their blood isn't red like ours. Instead, it's blue. This is because octopuses use a copper-based molecule called hemokinin to transport oxygen in their blood, rather than the iron-based hemoglobin that we humans use. Why blue blood? Well, hemocyanin is actually more efficient than hemoglobin at carrying oxygen in cold and low oxygen environments, like the deep ocean where many octopuses live. This adaptation allows octopuses to survive in extreme underwater conditions that would be challenging for other animals. Their ability to thrive in such diverse environments, from coral reefs to the deep sea, shows just how adaptable octopuses are. In fact, there are over 300 species of octopuses found all over the world, and they live in nearly every ocean on the planet. But it's not just their circulatory system that makes octopuses special. These animals are also incredibly intelligent, some of the smartest invertebrates on Earth. Octopuses have been known to solve puzzles, use tools, and even escape from aquariums by opening locks or squeezing through tiny gaps. One famous example of octopus intelligence is the story of an octopus named Inky, who lived in an aquarium in New Zealand. Inky managed to escape his tank by slipping through a small opening, crawling across the floor, and squeezing through a narrow drain pipe that led back to the ocean. This kind of behavior shows that octopuses are not only smart, but also highly resourceful and determined. Octopuses also have excellent memories and can learn from their experiences. In scientific experiments, they've shown the ability to remember patterns, solve mazes, and even recognize individual humans. This intelligence is thought to be linked to their complex nervous system. While most animals have a central brain that controls their body, octopuses have a decentralized nervous system. About 2/3 of their neurons are actually in their arms. This means that each arm can act somewhat independently, exploring, touching, and even thinking on its own. If an octopus loses an arm, it can regenerate it, and the new arm will still be able to function just as well as the original. Octopuses are also masters of disguise. They can change the color, texture, and even shape of their skin to blend in with their surroundings, making them nearly invisible to both predators and prey. This ability to camouflage is thanks to specialized cells in their skin called chromatophores, which contain pigments that can expand or contract to change color almost instantly. But it's not just about blending in. Some species of octopuses can also mimic other animals to avoid danger. For example, the mimic octopus can change its appearance to look like venomous sea creatures, such as lionfish, sea snakes, or flatfish, in order to trick predators into thinking it's dangerous. In addition to camouflage, octopuses have other defense mechanisms. When threatened, they can release a cloud of dark ink into the water, which creates a smokescreen to confuse predators and give the octopus time to escape. The ink also contains a compound that can dull a predator's sense of smell, making it even harder for them to track the octopus. And if all else fails, octopuses can use their incredible flexibility to squeeze into tight spaces where predators can't follow. Their soft, boneless bodies allow them to fit through openings as small as a coin. In fact, the only hard part of an octopus's body is its beak, which it uses to catch and eat prey like crabs, clams, and fish. Despite all of these amazing abilities, octopuses have relatively short lifespans. Most species live for only 1 to 2 years, though some deep-sea octopuses can live longer. Their life cycle is intense but brief, especially when it comes to reproduction. Octopuses reproduce just once in their lifetime. The female lays thousands of eggs and spends weeks or even months guarding them, making sure they are safe and well oxygenated. During this time, she stops eating and dedicates all of her energy to caring for her eggs. Once the eggs hatch, the female octopus dies shortly after, leaving the young to fend for themselves. This short but focused reproductive strategy means that octopuses invest everything into ensuring the survival of the next generation, even though they won't live to see it. While we've learned a lot about octopuses, there is still so much more to discover about these incredible animals. Scientists are continuing to study their behavior, biology, and evolution to better understand how they've adapted to their environments and what makes them so intelligent. In recent years, researchers have been particularly interested in the potential applications of octopus intelligence and flexibility in technology. For example, engineers are looking at how the octopus's soft, flexible body could inspire new designs for robots that can move through tight spaces or manipulate objects in delicate environments, such as during search and rescue missions or underwater exploration. As we continue to explore the ocean and study its inhabitants, we'll undoubtedly uncover even more fascinating details about the octopus and its remarkable abilities. The octopus is truly one of the ocean's most extraordinary creatures. With 3 hearts, blue blood, a flexible, boneless body, and incredible intelligence, it's no wonder that octopuses have captured the imagination of scientists and ocean enthusiasts alike. From their ability to solve puzzles and escape traps, to their mastery of camouflage and their unique circulatory system, octopuses are a testament to the power of adaptation and survival. As we continue to learn more about these amazing animals, we gain a deeper appreciation for the complexity and diversity of life in the ocean. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into the world of the octopus. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what other animals you'd like to learn about. There's a whole ocean of wonders out there, and we can't wait to explore them with you. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.